everyone, in front of me is ZTE Blade A71, and let me show you how to change video resolution. So at first you have to open your camera app, then switch to video mode, and now click on settings icon. Once you reach settings, you will notice video size right here, so you can smoothly customize it however you like. Just pick the option in which you wish to record your videos, and then you can smoothly do it. So smoothly by tapping on particular resolution, you can record in this video mode. So here you've got 1080p, 720 or 480. It's up to you. I would like to reach high definition, so let me leave this way. But if you wish to record, for example, in full high definition, just pick this first option. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.